Hello friend, my name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel Bro Learner. Today we are going to download and install OpenShot in our Windows 11 machine. That you have to open your favorite browser and search OpenShot download. Just hit enter and you can see the official website www.openshot.org. Just open it and here you can see the download option for Linux, Chrome OS, macOS or Windows. Just click here Windows if you are using Windows. Clicking on Windows, just click on download. It will take some time and after that it will start downloading. It is of 188 MB. It will not take more than 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Our OpenShot downloaded successfully. Just double click on it and after that I minimize this. Now click on yes, click on OK, and then accept the term and condition. Just read the first and then click on next. And this is the destination folder where it will install. Click on next. And if you want desktop shortcut, just click this and click on next and then click on install finally. It will take some time and after that it will successfully install in our Windows 11 machine. Okay. And after successful installation, just click on finish and now just zoom. I just maximize it. Click on next and see the tutorial. Your OpenShot is successfully installed and you can import file from here. You can edit with the help of this. You can cut, you can copy, you can paste, and you can edit your video with the help of this OpenShot application. So this is how you can download and install OpenShot in Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.